Handling HTTP request and response. The HTTP servlet provides specialized methods that handle the various types of HTTP requests. A servlet developer typically overrides one of these methods. They are do delete, do get, do head, do options, do post, do put, do trace. Okay, you need not learn all these things in detail. But for right now, what you are going to see is the get and post requests, which are commonly used when handling form input. So you will see the demonstration of this one, get and post request. So handling HTTP get request. Okay, see students, this is the third program, that is handling HTTP request and response. In this one, these are two, A and B. A is request, HTTP request, how to handle it. B part is how to handle HTTP response. So now we will see the A one. Okay, so now see students, this one I have kept in my computer with the name as P4. Okay, this is the folder, you can see P4. Okay, I'm clicking it. Now same concept like yesterday only. Okay, this is the HTML. For this one I have given the name as color get.html. So you can see here I have given the name as get.html. Sorry, you give whatever name you want. Okay, get.html I gave. Okay, this is the one which I have copied in the notepad. If I click this, right click, open with other application, text editor. This is the thing I already copied. Okay, this is the program. Then after this, this is the .java, I should say servlet program. This is the servlet. Okay, students. Now, simple way I will explain. And this is the get.html and this is the servlet.java. In this one, students, over here you can see in the program there is doGet method which is used. doGet method similar to the first program I explained, but over here the doGet method is used. Okay, so this is the part A of handling HTTP request. Part B is handling HTTP response. Okay, that one is, this is the HTML file. For that one I have saved it as in the notepad. I have copied the code and I have saved it as post.html. Okay, this one. Then for this HTML file also there is another .java, but you see here, over here the name of the method is doPost. Okay, students, please try to observe in these two programs, A and B. In HTTP request, the .java is having what? It is having doGet. In HTTP response, it is having doPost. So both .html, two .htmls are there. Each HTML is having its .java. So you can see here get.html. I'm clicking this src. So this is the servlet.java. Okay, and this is the part B, post.html. For this one, this is the .java, that is post servlet.java. Okay, what is the difference? I have mentioned you. Okay, in the first one it is doGet, in the second one it is doPost. Now students, directly I want to show you the output. See here, start the Tomcat if it is not ready. Okay, what I will do is I will shut down the Tomcat and again I will start. Sometimes if you get error, no, if you have got the execution of the previous program and then when you are going to execute the next program or next application, if you are getting some error, you just shut down the Tomcat, okay, and restart it again. It has now started. That is done. And display the web page in a browser. So see students, where is the web page? This is the web page. I am opening it with Google Chrome. It is asking, this is the drop down. You can select any color. So if I select green, submits, and you see the output. The color is green. Okay, students. Now you have to observe over here. It is mentioning in the URL color get servlet color equal to green. So try to remember. After you see here, select a color, submit the web page. That is, after completing the steps, the browser will display the response that is dynamically generated by the servlet. And another point is parameters for an HTTP request are included as a part of URL that is sent to the web server. Assume that the user selected the red option, or I have selected green, no problem. Submit this form. The URL sent from the browser to the server is this one. This only you have seen. Okay, that is the last part. The one which I have highlighted now. The one which I have highlighted. Color get servlet question mark color equal to red. So please try to remember, students, this is very important. The characters to the right of the question mark are known as query string. Okay, students. Okay, this you will get with do get method. Same concept for this program part B, but here do post. You please observe what you are able to have. For do get, you are having this one, query string. What the author has mentioned over here? This is known as query string. For what? Do get. This is the query string, the last one after question mark. Now, same thing you do for post.html. Open with Google Chrome, same output, but you select any color, whatever you want, click submit. But can you observe here? There is no query string. Okay, this is the difference when you are going to use do get, do post instead of do get. Okay, see here, same concept, handling HTTP post request. Here we will develop a servlet that handles an HTTP post request. The servlet is invoked, same concept, but with different HTML and different .java. Okay, students. And one more thing I forgot to mention you people, this is get.html, and this is, I will open this one in Notepad. Please try to observe in this get.html, you see this is the form tag. This is the form tag, whereas in post.html, in form tag, you see there is inclusion of one more attribute, method equal to post. 3 attributes are there, name, method, action. Whereas in get.html, there is only 2, name and action. Whereas in post, name, method, and action. So you see here method equal to post, that is used. And apart from that, what is the new thing? Do post is used. Okay, students. So here you observe, note, same concept, parameters for an HTTP post request are not included as part of the URL. Means there is no query string. Okay, in this example, the URL sent from the browser to the server is this one. Okay, like this one. Okay, like over here, where is that? Over here, this is for do get. You will get a query string, whereas over here there is no query string in do post. Okay, students, the rest of the thing is same thing. Okay, few more things if I want to say, I will say, don't worry. Over here, what you are going to do in the part A1, you see here, I have already copied a notepad. See here, whenever you are going to run this program, like let me open it, you will see this. Now, suppose if I click submit button, you are able to get this, no? But you just see into over here. See, form is created, and what is you are going to have initially? You will have a drop down list like this and submit button. Okay, this is the drop down list with select tag, and here the option tags are there. Okay, in that you select any one and click on the submit button as I shown you just now. I have showed you just now. After that is done, it will be submitted to this color get servlet.java. Okay, it will be submitted over there. So let me open it. Now what will happen here is, see here, get parameter is a method. Let me show the line numbers. Now request, it is requesting, it is fetching get parameter color. What color? Suppose you have selected red, so color will be equal to red. Now that will be set on your HTML file, and it will provide the response, and it will give pw.println and pw.println. Here color is what? From line number 11, string color equal to red. If it is red, 17th line, it will print ln red, like that. Same is for the part B also, but in that Instead of this do get, that is do post. I need not explain students that one. Okay. That's it with this. Try to remember. Okay, please set the program in a proper structure and compile the .java and place them in WebINF inside that classes folder. Inside the class folder, you place the .class file and write the web.xml file also. And after that, start the Tomcat and execute the program. There are many ways. What the author has mentioned, you follow it. It is very simple for you. Initially, you follow in this way. Okay, so this is the way. You can execute the programs in IDE also, NetBeans IDE, Eclipse IDE, in any IDE. That is a little bit different way. Initially, you perform in this way using the command prompt and the notepad. Okay, you will able to understand as you people are the beginners.